the KCSE 2021-2022 question computer studies. So the project currently is 80% done, but if you would like to get it first once it's completely done, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. Subscribe. So here's the system plus the documentation, like complete full. Here is it. Here it is. Sorry, here it is. So let's go through the system. So once you launch the system for the first time, once you launch the system, it will ask you to enable the content. Normally, without the database, if a database has a progress bar or anything, if you haven't enabled the system, it won't run automatically. You see, it won't run. So this is the startup screen for the movers, but since you haven't enabled the content, it won't run. So this is what I'll do, or this is what I did with this one. Once the content is not enabled, it will first ask you to enable the content. So you can't use the database in any way. You can't use the database. So first you have to enable the content. Once you have enabled, then it will run. Now here's the database itself. It also has some login. So without also, you can't escape the login information. That's for credential purposes. So you have to put your username and password. There is a table for login credentials. So I'm going to just gain the username and password. Let's see. Hello user 1. So currently now I'm not done with the design and everything. So here I'll find some things so that to make the system look attractive. So you see, once you run the database for the second time, it won't bring the enable content. It will just run. So if you try to put a wrong username or wrong password, it will deny. So you only have to put the correct username and the correct password. By default, this is the username and the password, respectively. The username is the username and the password is the password. But later, once you log in, you can change the credential information. So if you're in need of this template or this project, like complete the system plus the documentation, kindly leave the contact information below. Feel free at an affordable price. Plus, if you have any consultation or anything, kindly feel free. I'll leave the contact information below. Just choose them, reach me out. Please subscribe if you want this system. Once it's complete, first you prepare the database once it's done. Thank you.